question that just came in is the 1%. Is that you hear us talk a lot about the 99% that you can get back, and customs does keep the 1%. And if you really get into it, a lot of that 1% is simply about customs saying they have a cost of doing business, right? There's a cost of money. They have a cost of doing business. That's the 1%. And I think really the question that has to get asked is, what's an importer going to pay for this service? And it's a little bit different. Everybody charges a little bit differently. What I still think is probably some of the most common is some kind of a percentage of what you get back you pay to your service provider. I'm not exactly sure how you guys work through it, Pat, but that's how we work through it. That's how most of the brokers that I know just throughout the business, that's how most of us kind of work through this. It's kind of a sliding scale of a percentage back. So are you guys similar to that? Because I think that's a common question. Well, how much is this really going to cost me?
We can work on that basis. In our world, it's called a contingency fee, and we certainly do work like that. Other issues, we work on more of a time expended basis. It depends upon the issue. Certainly, filing a drawback claim is one thing, but a lot of times when we get involved in drawback, there's been a problem,
right?
And a drawback claim's gotten denied, and we have to file a protest, which does lend itself to a percentage recovery as well. But also sometimes a company might want to just pay on time extended. It really depends upon the situation.
Right. No, absolutely. So